Now, you're probably sitting there like, why do you not have a door handle on this door? This is a door that we hold a lot of valuable things behind. And so one thing that we haven't had is a lock on this door. Now, luckily, Amazon seller reached out to me and decided to send me this handy dandy smart door lock. So that's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be putting this on and showing you guys what it's all like when it is on there and just show you the cool features that this has. As you can see, I've got this all done and set up, and it won't open, as you can see. This is because of the locking mechanism and the way that it works. So you can't open it unless you put the code in. My thumbprint is in there, so then it just opens up like that. Nice, easy to open up. It also comes with a key as well. You need to get in there, just take the key, put it in the bottom, twist it, unlocks, which I think is super nice, super handy. So then you just twist it, locked again. Super nice. The app is super easy to use, super easy to add your own thumbprint or your code. It's super easy, super simple install. It was really fun to do, honestly. I love the automatic locking mechanism as well. I think this thing is amazing. It's a 10 out of 10. Sorry about my dirty hands, but I just thought I'd show you this really cool feature on the app. You can set up temporary codes, have different member management, smart scenes, and look at this. It's as easy as this to lock. Listen. Locked. And look at this. Unlocked. And just like that. Unlocked. Just lock it up. Locked. Just like that. It's locked. It's not going anywhere. This is the coolest thing. It's such an easy to use app. You can do so much with it. It's so awesome.